Hey everyone, in this video we are diving into Photopea, a free online alternative to Photoshop. If you are someone who wants to design thumbnails, social media posts, or even do basic image editing without downloading any heavy software, this tool is for you. By the end of this video, you will know how to start a project, how to import image, use key tools like layers, brushes, text, and effects. Even you are a complete beginner. So first of all, you have to come on this website, which is photopea.com. After clicking on the first link, you will get to see this kind of interface in front of you. So this is new. From here you can create new project, and this is you can open a project if you have downloaded or someone is sharing with you. So if you click on this, you will get to see some templates which is pre-built by users of Photopea. As you can see here, if you it will take load. So as you can see here, these are categories and authors as well. So if I go to plugins, so they have a big library on templates, plugin, action, brushes, gradient. So lots of things you have in the Photopea. So as you can see here, 3D logo mockup and 3D glass window mockup. So you have lots of templates available on the Photopea. So I will suggest you, if you are a beginner, then go and see for templates. Now, so let's begin with Photopea. First of all, you have to open a new project. Just simply click on the new project, open file from your computer, as you can see here, or you can open file from computer. Just I don't have any files, so simply what I will do is just create a new one. So here in the left side in the right side, you will get to see the name of the project. You can add the project name here, first project, and you can set width and height as well. If you want to change from pixel to percentage, you can change that as well. In my case, I am choosing 1920 by 180. So this is a basic uh, dimension for YouTube thumbnails, and I will choose background white and just create it. So boom, you have successfully created your first canvas. Now you have to import and placing an image. For this example, I will grab a free photo from, I think, Google. Just type horse photo. I don't know why, and just for the sake of this tutorial, I'm using horse photo, uh, or maybe dog memes photo. So I will choose this one. This is just for tutorial. Don't need to get serious on this. So drag that photo into drag that photo into Photopea. You can do that, but if you want to select from uh, like if you want to open and just select that image, and you can import that too. Now in the section, you will, if you open the photo, you will set default photo pixels. As you can see here, there are two ways you can do that. So we have successfully added our first photo. In the right side, you will get to see, on the top you will get to see this file, edit, image, layer, and select, filter, view, window, more options like this. The file is for, in the file you can create a new project. You can open a project into Photopea. You can open and place as well, and if you want to open more, you can from any folder, you can open from storage, so you can save as a PSD as well. So you can export any whatever you have edited in this canvas in the form of PNG, JPG. So you have lots of options over here. So if you talk about the edit, so you will get to see this undo, redo, copy. So it's tools, basically puppet wrap. So yeah, you will get to see this kind of feature in this edit section. Now if you talk about image, in the image section you will get to see this mode where you can set RGB, you can set the bits and channels as well, and you can give adjustment to the canvas, like if you want to give a brightness, contrast, or you can give a exposure. So you can get adjustment, and you can resize a canvas size, image size, and transform. So like if you want to do image size, you can do that as well. So yeah, if you talk about filters, so in the filter, this is where you add blur, sharpening, shadows, etc. These are drop down menus, kind of like a restaurant menu for your editing. It's too basic. So yeah, let's talk about toolbar. In the left side you will get to see this toolbar, and this is where all the magic happens. It where you choose what kind of editing you want to do. Let me quickly go through the most used tool, which is move tool. As you can see here in the keyboard, type V, you will see V. So it's like lets you drag stuff around. It lets you to drag stuff around you. So let's use rectangular selection. For that you can just simply type M into your keyboard, and it lets you to select square areas. As you can see here, it lets you to select areas. And whenever, now let's talk about the lasso select, where if you want to select this tool in the keyboard, you have to press L and it will select that. So it is a freehand selection where you can it is freehand. Whatever you want to select, you can select from this tool. Now there is another tool of selection, which is magic wand. To access from keyboard, you have to press W, and it selects the complex objects like this one. As you can see here, you cannot select these kind of objects with lasso select or rectangle select. Yeah, now let's talk about crop tool, which is you can crop your canvas as well. For example, okay, if you want to crop things like this, you can do that with crop tool. Now if you go into this is eye drop, where you can you can select the color of the canvas as well. So we'll redo all, and this is a eraser, I think. So this is a kind of eraser. Just hover on spot heading brush tool. So it's not eraser, but it's spot heading tool, where you can spot healing brush tool, magic replace. For example, if I select this one, and if I did this, you can select in the magic way. So yeah, now let's talk about brush tool. This let you to free draw like painting. For example, I will choose the brush tool, or you will get three brushes like brush tool, pencil tool, and color replacement. For example, I will choose brush tool. So what I will do, what it is does is just brush things in the, for example, just redo all, and it draws on your canvas. As you can see here, I can draw anything on canvas. It's very free. Now it's like brush. Now you want pencil, you can select pencil, and let me give me a second. And yeah, this is a pencil. So you can select opacity from here if you want, like as you can see here, and smoothness and darkness. And if you want to select blend mode, you can select that too. Now let's talk about clone tool. So I will redo all of those things which I have created, and the clone tool you can access in the keyboard with the S, and just clone source of holding alt key. So it's kind of complicated tool. Now let's talk about eraser. It can erase anything in the canvas which you have created. For example, I will create this. I think I'm not able to draw it. I think there is a glitch maybe. So let's move forward. Now here, from here you can set a gradient, and you can use paint bucket tool as well. So it's create nice background color and fades. For example, I will choose this one, and if I choose gradient, so I will just give me a second. I will refresh it because some tools are not working, and I will make a default thing, add image into it, and set a gradient. In the top section you will get to see you can change color as well. If you click on the color and hit OK and OK, so smart object must be restricted first. Okay, so this is you can use as a gradient, as you can see here. So you have to play around with this tool, so you will get more idea. And as you can see, I have added this photo, and I can give a gradient. Now if I want to change from black to some different color, what I will choose, this one. So okay, I have to choose this one. So whenever things goes in that way, I can give a gradient. So it makes more good background for your canvas, as you can see here. Now let's talk about this is a type tool. You can type anything in the canvas, like for example, loading, it's take lots of time. So this is a blur. You can make things blur. So here we go, we got the text tool. You can add text, remove text, and you can add, this is text. So yeah, and press V to press V to reposition this text. Now in the after the text tool, you will get to see this pen tool, where you can select you have lots of option, which is pen, free pen, curvature pen. I will choose pen, and I can draw things like this. So it's like a pen tool. If you want to give a gradient or a line, you can make it from this. Now let's talk about zoom, get in close to detail. For example, so I will make the blur. For example, this is a average blur, and I can blur things only on one layer. So you can use these things just because of layer. Now let's talk about canvas in the middle of area, and of course the big center area is your canvas. This is where your design actually lives. You click, drag, draw, or type right here. So now if you want to save this image, what you have to do is just click on the file and click on the save as a PSD, or you can export as an image as well. Just simply click on the image and save it, and give the path. It will save your image. As you can see here, we have created this illogical photo. So yeah, there is a lot to cover in this section. Photopea is a great tool to use. You can make average thumbnail using it. You can, it's a little sister of Photoshop. Uh, there are no advanced feature. There are only basic feature. You can access it. but it's super cool for doing basic things. So yeah, that's it. All right, I know that was a lot to take in, but this is just a basic intro to what Photopea can do. It's a powerful and free tool that works just like a Photoshop right in your browser. Anytime you are stuck, just you search YouTube your issue. For example, what I will do is just simply go on the YouTube and search for, like, if you don't understand this layer section, what you can do is just go into YouTube and what is layer in Photopea, search it and you will get the answer. So yeah, so whatever, if you're stuck in something, just do YouTube and or anything else, you will find the step-by-step tutorial. And I have created lots of tutorial of on Photopea, so you can see that too. So yeah, so if you enjoyed the beginner guide, make sure to like, subscribe and drop a comment if you want more Photopea tutorial. See you in the next one.